Hey guys, Daniel Jackson here with Lake Martin Dock Company. I want to talk to you today about our TimberTech composite and advanced PVC decking products. For over 12 years, Lake Martin Dock Company has been a dealer for TimberTech, and our customers love the fact you get so many color options. You get over 30 different color options throughout all the collections, as well as 8 different wood grain designs and some of the best warranties in the industry. I want to go through each of these collections one by one today. Kind of give you the differences and the benefits of each, and hopefully give you some good information that will allow you to make the best decision for you and your family. The first collection I want to talk about today is the Edge Prime Plus collection. This is a cap composite, which means it has a wood fiber plastic core, then has a PVC outer shell. That PVC coating is going to provide protection from mold and mildew. This product has a 25-year warranty and a 25-year fade and stain. It is our most affordable option. It's very popular with our customers. So if you're looking to get away from just having a traditional wood deck, this is an excellent choice. Moving on down, we have the Harvest collection. This gets you into the advanced PVC decking line, and with that you're going to get lifetime warranty and a 50-year fade and stain. In addition, you're going to get a product that's going to be 30 degrees cooler and have up to 40% more traction than competitive products. This is by far our most popular choice for our customers here on Lake Martin. So up next we have the Landmark collection. This is still in the advanced PVC decking line, and you get the lifetime warranty, 50-year fade and stain. This collection is designed to resemble white oak or walnut that's been cross-cut. You get some color variegation in there that gives it a much more realistic look. And as with the Harvest collection, you get a board that's going to be 30 degrees cooler and up to 40% more traction. So finally, we have the Vintage collection. This is still in the advanced PVC line where you get the lifetime warranty and 50-year fade and stain. If you're after a high-end look, this is the board you want. You get a wire brush finish that is designed to resemble premium hardwoods like Ipe and mahogany. As with the other collections, you get a product that's cooler to the touch, as well as having more traction, wet or dry. So hopefully this has been helpful today to go through each of these products and their differences, and understand that this is a small sampling of what TimberTech has to offer. They have over 30 different color options through 8 different collections. So if you want to get more information on Lake Martin Dock Company and all the products we have to offer, visit us online at lakemartindock.com.